Welcome to the story of Lou's house, a remarkable project undertaken by iHouse Studio in the heart of Carrasco, Montevideo's heritage district. Commissioned by clients seeking to transform a traditional site into a modern family home, this project presented a unique challenge for the studio, known for its expertise in prefabricated modular constructions. The design brief was clear: a single-level residence encompassing 4 bedrooms, an office, a gym, and a playroom. The goal was to create a spatial arrangement that allowed for privacy while maintaining a connection with the surrounding environment. Security was paramount, a consideration integrated seamlessly into the design process. Conceptualized as a reinvention of the modern estate prevalent in the area, Lou's house stands on a 1,036 square meters plot. With its front facade oriented northward, the design maximizes land utilization, with 2 distinct strips defining privacy levels. The western strip houses the private areas, including bedrooms and bathrooms, while the eastern strip hosts the social spaces and serves as the main entry point. A system of patios and skylights floods the expansive social area with natural light, blurring the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. At the rear, a spacious glazed barbecue area accommodates the gym and playroom, facilitating seamless transitions between interior and exterior living. Form follows function in Lou's house, with 2 reinforced concrete slabs enclosing a permeable skin that adapts to the program behind it, modulating privacy levels as needed. The use of durable materials such as concrete and wood not only enhances the house's robustness and security, but also minimizes external maintenance requirements. Inside, the design ethos embraces minimalism, juxtaposing polished monolithic floors with warm wood tones and shades of gray and white. This fusion of classic and modern elements creates an inviting yet contemporary ambience, where historical charm coexists harmoniously with modern sensibilities. Lou's house stands as a testament to iHouse Studio's ability to navigate the intersection of tradition and innovation, crafting a home that is both timeless and forward-thinking. Through meticulous attention to detail and a thoughtful approach to design, they have transformed a simple brief into a living space that embodies the essence of modern family living.